think blockchain has followed the classic technology hype curve. Loads of interest, loads of people investing in it, loads of change and platforms being launched. And inevitably what's going to happen next is there's going to be a consolidation within the industry. And so our job is to make sure that we're one of the people that leads that consolidation and is one of the successful players in the blockchain space. I think with any technology adoption, and particularly with new technology, which blockchain still is really, you've got to decide where your market focus is going to be. For us, and I think for Symbol, the enterprise market is the right place to start. These businesses are looking to deploy technology to change how they work and how they run themselves. And of course, what an enterprise brings is the ability to really scale the platform much quicker than if you try to build a brand in the consumer space. So our first and primary focus is to showcase to enterprises what they can do with Symbol, how they can deploy it, how they can use it, how it can help them to work in a much better way. I think all of the different technologies in the platform space, whether that's the internet or hosting or cloud and now blockchain, they actually give businesses and individuals the ability to collaborate in a much more close way. And what we're really excited by with Symbol is that it can be the mechanism through which developers or content creators have a marketplace in which they can showcase their innovation and their talent to enterprises. And we know that what enterprises are looking for is to get access to developers and content creators to improve the offer they make to their consumers or to think differently about how they run their business. So Symbol could be and has the potential to be that connector between a developer community, a content creator community, and the enterprise community to create real value for each other. Unlike lots of chains that are out there, Symbol has been designed from scratch with the enterprise in mind. So the technical architecture and the feature set that are inherent in Symbol, I think are hugely important. And I think also there are a number of features in Symbol that really set it apart from the other chains. We know that enterprises are always nervous about adopting new technology, particularly if the decision is, do I have to go completely into this new technology and basically get rid of what I've already got? Or have I got a way of testing and trying this new technology to see how it works alongside the infrastructure and the systems that I'm running today? And this whole notion of having a hybrid blockchain, I think, is hugely powerful. It enables enterprises to experiment with Symbol, to look at the differences between the public and private chain, and to really run a hybrid environment that sits alongside what they're already running. I think what's really important is that Symbol becomes synonymous with this notion of possibility, and hybrid is just a mechanism to achieve that. It gives enterprises a flexible way of buying into this notion of possibility, and that's actually what Symbol is about.